Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you to the Evergreen Resort. The Evergreen Resort is a huge theme park that integrates science, education, and environmental protection. It's a great place to relax and enjoy nature with your family or friends. The park is located at the base of Big Nanshan Mountain in the Nanshan District of Shenzhen. The park is about 18 kilometers from the airport and can be reached by car or bus. The resort has a variety of accommodation options, from standard rooms to luxury wooden houses with small attics. The resort has more than 10 scenic spots, such as the tropical rainforest, the Jurassic Park, the butterfly farm, the fishing pond, and the fruit park. You can explore these attractions at your own pace, or join a guided tour that will explain the features and stories behind each spot. You can also participate in some interactive activities, such as pottery making, swimming, billiards, table tennis, and outdoor development. There's something for everyone here, whether you're looking for adventure, education, or relaxation. If you're looking for a green and eco-friendly destination in Shenzhen, you should definitely check out the Evergreen Resort. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.